I've debated on doing this, but as you probably know, because I talk about it a good bit, I talk to a lot of the Claimstribe all the time. I do. I talk to people in our industry, people allied with our industry in other ways. I talk to people in the carrier, out of the carrier, defense, plaintiff. It doesn't matter. I mean, I talk to a lot of people around this time 12 years ago. I was drinking like a whole bar bottle of Canadian whiskey every day. On a lot of days, I'd do 2 of them. I would wake up early and do it, and I would do it late at night. And I was extremely functional, but I was a functional alcoholic. I contend to you that roughly half the people that give me a call at night are functional alcoholics. For those of you that don't know, that's a physical malady with a spiritual solution. The best thing I ever did in my life was stop drinking and get in recovery and be within a 12-step fellowship. Best thing I ever did, because I don't care who you are. If you're chained to that, if you drink until oblivion, if you can't practice controlled drinking because it just isn't controlled, I promise you that things are better beyond that bottle. And that while you're going to have to clean up the debris field that you've made because of that, there's a great life after. My life in recovery is awesome. It's a blessing every day. It's a program that requires me to be honest. I just want to tell you this because I know there's a lot of people with this problem that don't call me. But I just want you to remember that about 75% of us who are alcoholics die from it. It's got a higher mortality rate than leukemia. I can't make you do anything. But I can tell you this, the most loving, the best people on earth that I've ever met are people that walked your walk and made it to the promises of what a life can bring without it. I've tried to make this video about 17 times and I've deleted every one. Today I said I'd just make it. Send it and be done with it. So that's what I'm doing. If I can help any of you with anything like that, I'll be happy to. I don't judge you for that. I don't. It's not a moral failure. It's a physiological failure. It's no different than blaming somebody for having type 1 diabetes. Not at all. But just remember, for those of us that make it, we really do thrive. We really do wind up having a good life. We really do have a perspective that no one else has because we've seen the other side and we've come through it. And it makes us more grateful for every day. And I'm betting if you're one of those people that I'm talking to, you're not drinking because you need a good day. You're drinking because you can't quit. And chances are not many people know, except some people very close to you that watch you tear all kind of things up in your life. But most of the people see that face that you put out there. They don't have a problem in the world. Peace out. Thanks.